Okay, we are in the Excel, all right, Microsoft Excel spreadsheet, and I just create some list of numbers over here. Okay, now of course we all know that sometimes we need to have an additional row, all right, and we can always do that by inserting, all right. Either you okay, we can always do this by inserting one particular row over here. But I'm going to control Z to undo at this current moment. Uh, if you're just going to insert one, that is okay. But what if you want to insert a number of rows? Okay, so please don't insert one by one. You actually don't have to insert one by one. All you have to do is select how many rows you want to insert, okay, and insert it one time. See, it will break it up. All right, so this will be faster. All right, definitely it's a lot faster, especially if you're going to insert a chunk of data.